What I wish I knew in school instead of algebra? Earth's core is like a hidden sun beneath our feet. Earth's inner core reaches a scorching 10,800 degrees Fahrenheit, or 6,000 degrees Celsius. That's as hot as the surface of the sun. But why is it so hot? This blazing ball of iron keeps our planet's magnetic field alive. Without it, we'd be toast. This magnetic field protects us from deadly solar radiation. Imagine a gigantic invisible shield. But wait, there's more. The core's intense heat comes from radioactive decay and leftover heat from Earth's formation. So next time you think it's hot outside, just remember, you're standing on a planet with a fiery heart. Stay curious, science lovers. Like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.